So I'm adding some content here. I'll use the alert element. I'm going to copy this one and then paste it 3 times here. Doesn't matter how many times you paste it, 1 is fine too. And then let's see what happens when I click the calendar icon. So I now lost my content and we went to this history state here, which only contains 1 alert box. And the reason that the other alert boxes are not in this history state is that the paste event does not trigger creating a new history state. We're not solving that in this issue, but what we are solving is the unnecessary changing of the history state or activating when I open the history model. So when I click this icon, I don't need to immediately update the container to reflect this history state. This is what's dangerous because there will be other user actions that we didn't think of and that will not trigger a history state. So what we want to do instead is make sure that we don't change the history state unless the user actually clicks these buttons or these line items. So to fix that, or let me begin at the beginning. So we initiate the model window, and then when it opens, we activate the latest history state. And this is just to indicate to the user, like, this is where you are now, this is where you are not now. And what's going wrong is that the activate list item function does 2 things. So it violates the purpose of having single purpose functions. It sets the active classes, which is good, but then it also updates the container HTML, which is not good. So this should not be triggered in the same flow as setting the active classes on the item. So we do want to do this, we don't want to do this. That's basically the goal. Of course, we do want to do the update container HTML operation when we click on these items, but not when we just open the window. So there's some refactoring needed there.